Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Object Gizmos for a more intuitive way of transforming objects in Blender. If you've ever used Blender, you'll know that there are a lot of keyboard shortcuts. And while this can allow you to work quickly, sometimes it can be a little bit unintuitive, especially when it comes to, say, scaling or rotating an object. For a more visual, user-friendly way of transforming objects in your scene, you can turn on Object Gizmos. Object Gizmos are a visual interface that allow you to transform objects by using your mouse rather than using keyboard shortcuts or the toolbar. Go to the Viewport Gizmo drop-down menu with the circle and arrow symbol, and under Object Gizmos you can choose between three gizmos: Move, Rotate, and Scale. Multiple gizmos can also be selected at one time. Now, when you select an object in your scene, your chosen gizmos will be displayed, which can be used to easily and intuitively move, rotate, and scale your object. Thanks for watching and happy rendering.